Show me all the cards you hold close to your chest. I'll take all the parts of you your loved ones detest. Find me, I'm inside your insides, it might help. In front of my eyes as I talk to myself. What's the point of a friend if you're on your own in the end? With you, with them, I'd go through it all again. I'd quite like to go home now. I'll make an attempt, knowing that I'll fuck it up. If only you would bring me down. Hold me in contempt, 'cause I don't want to interrupt. There's pretty ways to turn me down. What's the point of a friend if you're on your own in the end? With you, with them, I'd go through it all again. I'd quite like to go home now. I'd quite like a quiet life with no one asking how or why. I'd quite like to go home now.